Thyssen Elevator was founded in 2014, based on elevator industry area Suzhou, China, especially on OEM and ODM manufacturing elevator and escalator also parts. As a global elevator company, currently now we have been designing elevator and escalator for many brands such as Fuji, Sanyo, also working with ThyssenKrupp, Schindler, Otis. Thyssen offers best solution for elevator manufacture, elevator distributor, modernization. With perfect technical team from Otis and stylish design, Thyssen have been exported to more than 50 countries such as European, Middle East, Africa, South America, Asia. With fully experienced and high-level technology, our elevator speed can reach 4 meters per second, escalator height reach 50 meters, advanced elevator production and best ERP management system. In 2020, Thyssen faced zero missing spare parts and quality complaint. We have become excellent supplier award for several customers, also bring business improvements for our partner. As a professional team, we know well how to support you build your own brand. All perfect in every details, with highly standard quality control. Focus on saving your time and idea how to win the market. Be a partner with Thyssen Elevator. Become a premium elevator brand.